Let's talk about PDAs on Solana, program-derived addresses. Most account addresses on Solana are public keys. They sit on the ED25519 curve, and they have a corresponding private key that can sign transactions. A PDA is different. It's an address that's intentionally derived to fall off the curve. No private key exists. Nobody can sign with it directly. But the program that derived it can sign on its behalf. Here's how you derive one. You take a program ID, combine it with one or more seeds, and add a bump. The bump is an extra byte that pushes the result off the curve. The derivation function starts at bump 255 and counts down until it finds a valid off-curve address. The first one it finds is called the canonical bump. Always use the canonical bump. Think of PDAs like hash maps on-chain. Same program, same seeds, same address. Every time. Deterministic. One important detail. Deriving a PDA does not create an account. The address is just a calculation. You still need to explicitly create the account through the program. Think of it like an address on a map. Just because the address exists doesn't mean there's a building there. PDAs, deterministic, keyless, program-controlled.